Imagine holding a book in your hands with your name on it. A book that doesn't just tell your story, but positions you as the authority in your field. Sounds powerful, right? But is it the right move for your business right now? Today, we're deep diving into what it really means to write a nonfiction book as a business owner and whether this dream should be your next big project. Hi, I'm Jen Kem, the founder of the Master Brand Institute, and here we guide founders, experts, thought leaders, and entrepreneurs to build wildly profitable personal brands from the inside out through the power of team, identity, messages, and experiences. In today's video, we're going to tackle a big question I get asked all the time. Jen, should I write a book? Now, if you're a business owner and you feel like you have a book inside of you, something meaningful that you want to share, and a framework of the way that you do things, but you're unsure if now is the right time or if you should even follow through at all, then stay with me because I'm going to help you decide if writing your first nonfiction book is your next best move. Should you write a book? It's such an important question, and I'd start by saying writing a book is one of the most powerful ways to position yourself as an authority. But before you start writing, there are some things to consider. Ask yourself, why do I even want to write this book? Are you ready to commit the time and energy it will take to not only write the book, but also make it part of your brand story? I often see people get excited about the idea of being an author, and don't get me wrong, it is exciting. But it's also a journey and it takes work. So writing a nonfiction book isn't just about writing itself. It's about putting a piece of your wisdom, experience, and insight into a form that others can use to learn, grow, and transform. It's really about impact. And if your goal is to build deeper trust with your audience and share a message that's been on your heart for a long time, then yes, writing a book could be the perfect next step. But here's the thing, and this is where a lot of people get hung up. Your timing matters. You have to look at where you are in your business journey. Do you actually have the bandwidth to give this project what it deserves? Are you at the stage where this book will help your brand evolve? Or do you still need to lay a little bit more groundwork in your business before diving in? Because the thing is that writing a book will compete with your business operations. And so you gotta look at using a framework to help you decide that. Now, remember, it's okay to not start right now. It's okay to park any idea for a bit and revisit it later when you're ready to give it all, but especially when it comes to writing a book. Now, let's talk about the benefits of writing a book for your business. Here are a few things that a book can do for you. It definitely will give you authority and credibility. When you're an author, you're seen as an expert in your field. It's a signal to the world that you have something important to say and that people should listen. It also creates connection. A book allows you to connect with your audience on a deeper level. It gives them insight into your journey, your values, and your expertise. It's a way for them to get to know you beyond social media posts or newsletters. And also, consider that it helps you create a legacy. Think about your message and the impact you want to have. A book is really a lasting legacy. It's something people can pick up years from now or listen in their ears through an audiobook and still gain value from. It's an actual tangible way to share your story and your expertise that endures beyond a digital space or an expiring TikTok video. Writing a book is not just about the readers who will be inspired and informed by your words. This book is about you. And the process of writing a book will transform the way you see yourself, your business, and the value you bring to the world. Now, I hope that this helped you, but the main thing that I want you to hear is go back a few videos and watch the decision-making framework called VSM, Visionize, Strategize, and Mobilize. And your book is just another idea that you have. So you wanna use those videos to kind of go ahead and structure the decision-making process to decide if it's the right thing to do. So, if this video gave you clarity on whether writing a book is right for you, please hit the thumbs up button below so we can help more business owners make powerful decisions. And before you go, I'd love for you to take our Brand Archetype quiz, which is linked in the description below. Understanding your brand's unique archetype will help you decide if this is the right time to write your book and how to message everything that fits into your overall brand story. I'm Jen Kem, here to help you build the wealth, power, and leadership you're meant to bring to the world. Until next time.